Welcome to this Thir 4D tutorial of 3dSlicer. This tutorial uses 3dSlicer version 5.6.0 stable release for Windows, but it is also valid for Linux or OS operative systems. The MR Brain Tumour 1 sample data should be loaded. This chapter shows one of the possible procedures to segment the tumor inside the brain. The grow from seed segmentation method will be used. This method uses inner and outer image properties to segment the tumor volume. Select Segment Editor from Modules menu to initiate the segmentation process. Name the segmentation as Tumour Segmentation. Select the MR Brain Tumour 1 as source volume. Create two segments. Label tumor in the first segment. Label tumor out the second segment. Visualize the tumor in all three 2D views. Select from Segment Editor window the tumor in segment. Now, select Paint tool and paint inside the tumor in 2D views to obtain samples of tumor images. The paint tool diameter can be modified. Repeat painting in different planes to obtain sufficient representative samples. Repeat the process selecting tumor out to obtain samples from non-tumor tissues. Repeat the tumor in and out painting in different slides to increase the sampling data set. Stop the process after selecting enough sample data. Using 2 slides from each 2D view is usually enough. Following, select Grow from Seeds button. Set Initialize to preview segmentation process. Navigate in the 2D slices to ensure a correct initial segmentation. If incorrect segmentation is detected, these specific regions can be repainted to improve results. Update the initial segmentation. Once the results are correct, press Apply to generate the segmentation. Press Show 3D button if the segmentation volume is not shown in 3D view. Navigate using all windows to check the results. Different techniques can be used to refine the results. The volume can be smoothed with the smooth method. Vary the kernel size to modify the amount of smoothness applied. Erase tool deletes the volume under the cursor. Select Sphere brush. Edit in 3D views. And erase all segments. Navigate over the windows and press and hold left button to erase. Erase propagates to adjacent planes. Finally, if there are isolated segmentation volumes, use Islands tool to remove them. Select Keep Largest Island and the minimum size of the islands to be removed. The size is defined in voxels.